It's cotton candy clouds.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys my current foundation routine, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so let's jump right in. I'm going to start off by priming the skin, and I'm using my Hydro Grip primer. I will have everything listed in the description box below because I know I won't be able to remember like colors right off the bat and everything in the name of everything. So yeah, I'm just starting off with a primer, and then I'm going to dry it with my little makeup fan. And then off camera, I'm going to apply my eyebrows because I'm going to do a separate tutorial on that, like an updated one. So now I'm going to use this Urban Decay Naked Foundation. I can't remember the exact name, but I love this for the summertime. It's a super matte like foundation, so that's why I paired it with the Hydro Grip so that it's not looking dry on my face, because you guys, even with me being oily in the T-zone area, like I've applied this with like the primer that's like super mattifying, and it makes your skin look flaky and dry even when you're oily. So I feel like the Hydro Grip pairs really well with this. Like, I don't know, I just feel like they pair well. So that's what I would recommend even if you are oily, because I am combination. But yeah, so anyways, I'm just blending out my foundation, of course. I'm definitely a brush girl. I will use a beauty blender, but more than likely a brush. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face, and I'm highlighting all the points that I want to stand out the most and brighten up and everything. So I'm just going underneath my eye, down the bridge of my nose, above my lip, my forehead, and a little bit like underneath my lip area there. So now I'm gonna blend it out with a brush, and I absolutely love these brushes. This is actually the two brushes that I just previously used. They're both by It for Ulta, and I really love these brushes. I'll be sure to leave the names of the brushes as well in the description box below, because that is a question that I got asked. I am going to do a dedicated video where I actually just mainly focus on the brushes, but for now I'll just leave them in the description box below, and plus I can't remember all of them. That's why I want to do like a dedicated video. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. And I love this concealer as well because it's very mattifying, and just pair it with the Hydro Grip, like it just all works out, like, because it just gives my skin like this very flawless look without it looking like too mattifying, because it is summertime, so I don't want to be too matte. So now I'm going to go ahead and contour, and I'm just going to use a little bit of that because this one is quite dark and I just kind of want like a bronze look. And so I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. I don't want to blend it too much because of the simple fact that I don't know, like it won't really show up if I blend it too much, especially because I only use a little bit. And I didn't add any products on the brush or anything. I'm just using the product that was left over from me blending. And then I'm going to go on with this PLOUISE Basin number 6. And I'm just applying that to my eyelids because this is focused on foundation, so I'm not going to be applying any eyeshadow, and that's mainly what I do every day anyways. So now I'm going to go in with this ANASTASIA setting powder, and I'm going to set all the areas where I highlighted. So now that I set the areas where I highlighted, I'm going to go in and set my whole face with these two powders. Like I said, everything will be listed in the description box below because I cannot remember everything offhand. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and set my entire face just to make sure my makeup stays in place all day. And I feel like for me it's very necessary to set my face just for a longer lasting makeup look or makeup application. So now I'm going to go in with Film Noir by MAC, and I'm just going to lightly take that as well because like I said, I just kind of want my skin to look like I have on like a little bit of bronzer. So I'm going in very lightly with that and just setting the contoured areas, and to kind of bring it back because I did set it with powder, so it might have disappeared a little bit. So now I'm going to set my face with the Badescu Rose Water, and then I'm going to go ahead and dry my face a little bit, and off camera I'm going to be applying those eyelashes. And for my lips, I'm using MAC Chestnut, and then I can't remember which matte lipstick that is by Anastasia. But yeah, that will pretty much wrap up the look. I hope that you guys have enjoyed my updated foundation routine for summer. Definitely let me know what is your favorite foundation for the summertime, and do you even change by the season? But yeah, this is pretty much it after I am all done applying my lipstick. Thank you, Fabulous Diva, so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, Divas.